Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show my live trade, first time in my YouTube channel. As you can see, today the SGF Nifty is showing some flat opening, means around 15% high it is showing from yesterday closing. So today the Bank Nifty may open near this previous day high. Okay, it may open near this yesterday's high. So, and even Nifty also, you can see yesterday it went till this weekly resistance of R2. So today the market going to open near flat, means near this previous day high. This is actually a previous day high. This is the yesterday high. Okay, so the market may open near this range only, means below this range. So we are going to see how the market open and from where it will take rejection. As you can see friends, today the market opened near this previous day high zone, as you can see, and even it's also open near this previous day high. The first candle is looking bit bearish. This is the CPR of Nifty, this three line, this blue, purple and this line, and we'll wait for the 5 minutes candle to close. And even in Bank Nifty you can see, I will disable this so that we can see the clearly from where the market is taking support. And even you can see this today the weekly CPR is combined with this previous day low and its daily support. We'll see from where today the Bank Nifty CPR is very narrow. We'll see in 1 minute candle, so that we'll get to see this is the CPR of today's Bank Nifty, and you can see this is the weekly CPR of Bank Nifty. And even we'll see in Nifty chart, you can clearly see today the Nifty is having a bit medium size CPR, and the first candle opened above this weekly high, and weekly CPR is below this previous support near. So we'll wait for the 5 minute candle, because with 1 minute candle we can't determine from where the candle is taking rejections or any support. So we'll wait for the candle to get close. The Bank Nifty is having a very narrow CPR, but Nifty is having a medium size CPR. See, you can clearly see the first candle in Bank Nifty is taking support of narrow CPR, and even there was a top weekly CPR, but in Nifty the first candle facing rejections from this daily resistance, but it is taking support of this weekly high. But below, you can see the wick is below this weekly high, but it was taking support from that. So even though the first candle in Nifty is taking support from this weekly high and previous day high, I am not comfortable, because you can see this first candle in Nifty, it was not a convincing bullish candle, and even you can see in this Bank Nifty, it's showing some bearishness. So if the candle touch this weekly resistance, it may bounce from that region, so we'll wait for some reversal, and we'll wait for some movement. Yesterday you can see the market rallied from weekly resistance of R1 and R2. So today the market opened above this weekly CPR. So the first candle, even though it's a bearish candle, it was taking support from this weekly top CPR. See, the first candle is taking resistance from this daily, so I may go see in this chart, so I may go short, means I will buy PE. I bought, you can see in my order book, I bought 41,800 PE call options at 145. Bought it at 145. You can see in my Zerodha platform, the reason why I went short is because the first candle is facing resistance from this daily resistance. Even though the first candle is not a convincing bullish candle in Nifty, and the wick is below this weekly high, so I'm waiting that today the market may reverse from this region. And even you can see this Bank Nifty also, the CPR is very narrow, so I'll wait for some movement. So as you can see friends, from very long time the market is consolidating near in this zone. As you can see friends, from very long time, even though the first candle in Bank Nifty is bearish, looking bearish, it is consolidating near this CPR only. So because the Nifty is a kind of a bullish candle, but it was neither convincing bullish candle, so That is the reason the bank nifty is consolidating. We'll see, we'll wait for some moment. Currently I am in a loss of 70 rupees. And you can see the nifty also is ranging in between this weekly high and even this daily resistance of R1. This R4, R3, these are all Camarilla pivot. These are red line, these dotted lines are the daily pivots, means CPR and their pivots. Today the market may go in a sideway. We'll wait for some moment. Here you have to wait. If the candle close above this Camarilla pivot of R3, I will book my loss. My target is this previous day low and this daily support. Currently I am in a profit of rupees 85. Currently I am in a profit of rupees 176, 190, and even but Nifty is consolidating there only, but Bank Nifty is looking very bearish. As I can see, the Bank Nifty, after consolidating near this daily CPR, now it is approaching near this weekly CPR. So I am in a profit of rupees 136. The moment why it is consolidating is because of this Nifty, because it opened above this weekly high. So I feel after facing rejections, it will also fall further till this daily CPR or even weekly CPR. So currently I am in a profit of rupees 171, 140. We'll wait for some moment. As you can see, the candle is approaching near this weekly CPR. See, I'm in a profit of rupees 285. But Nifty is near this weekly high. We'll wait for some moment. My target is this, that is the weekly center pivot and even this daily support and this PDL. Currently my profit is rupees 400. Even though it may take support from this weekly top weekly CPR, it may fall further this weekly central CPR and even this previous day low. The reason is, as you can see, last time it rallied till above this weekly resistance of R1 and R2. If it has to rally, it would have opened above this weekly high, but it opened below this previous day high and even this weekly low. So that is the reason I went short. So as you can see, it is falling further till this previous day low. So now my profit is rupees 493. As you can see friends, I booked my profit because I'm feeling the candle may take support from this top weekly CPR and again it may reverse. As a options buyer, we need a momentum. So that is the reason I booked my profit. Now my profit, you can see, is 432 rupees. The reason why I booked my profit is, you can see there was a top weekly CPR and even this 50 EMA moving average. Again it may retest and again it may fall. So I entered in this second candle when the candle started facing rejections from this 20 EMA moving average, and I booked my profit near this top weekly CPR. Initially I told my target will be this, but when I see this, even there was a support of this Camarilla pivot of S3 also. So it may consolidating further here and it may fall further, but as a options buyer we need a momentum. So that is the reason I booked my profit here. You can see friends, this is my profit 432, and you can see my order book, and even this India 50 chart is consolidating near this CPR only, and even you can see this SGF Nifty chart. So it opened above this weekly high. It is also consolidating near. So today the market may go in a sideway, so we may get a momentum in afternoon. If this candle was a doji candle and it opened above this R3 daily resistance of R3 or something, we would have got a trending day, but it opened near this, so it may consolidating after a long time. In mid afternoon we may see a momentum, but right now I feel now the market may go in a sideway. That is the reason I book my profit here. So this is my profit. The reason why I went short is because, as you can see friends, yesterday I will disable this. See, yesterday you can see that the market rallied above this weekly high and even this weekly resistance, and yesterday on Friday the market closed above this weekly resistance of R2. So today, as what we can expect is the market is going to be trending, because means bullish, because the market closed above this weekly resistance of R2. So the market rallied bit more only. So if today the first candle opened above this weekly high and even this weekly resistance and even this above this previous day high, I would have went long, but it opened below this, near this daily CPR, and you can see the CPR is also very narrow, but Nifty is having a bit average size CPR. Here you can see the first candle, even it facing rejections from this R3, but not a convincing R3. See, you can see if the Nifty first candle was a completely bearish candle, I would have waited for a big target in Bank Nifty, but the bank nifty follows nifty sometime and nifty follows bank nifty sometime. So here in nifty the first candle is a neither convincing bearish candle or a neither convincing bullish candle, so the market may go in a sideway. And you can see the bank nifty first candle was a bearish candle. So when you can see that one index is looking bit bullish and another index is showing some bearishness, it is better to book your profit early, because the market may go in a volatile or in a sideway, so anything can happen in a market. So as a options buyer we need a momentum. That is the reason I booked my profit here. Once I saw this first candle was looking bearish, and again when I saw this second candle is looking bullish, because the first candle was taking support near this weekly high. Now this weekly high act as a support, but it didn't open exactly above this weekly high. You can see below there was a wick near this weekly high, so it may go further till, or it may rally till further, and in mid afternoon it may fall. So that is the reason now bank nifty is facing, now it is recovering from this top weekly CPR. So that is the reason why I booked my profit there. If you like this video, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel friends, because it motivates me to make more videos like this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.